Satya Prakash Mishra, are you worried that he'll do a Satpal Malik tomorrow? What if he suddenly says, my conscience has awoken now?
No, if
I want to speak against the government. All the Congi media will give him YouTube face.
First of all,
will that have any impact? Will that have any impact? Are you worried about? Are you worried about having to do damage control?
I'm not worried about anything.
Yeah.
But I would give you a compliment. You are in a full mood today.
Yes, sir.
It is very different mood of Arnab we are watching now. I want to tell, there is a demarcation of power of every constitutional authority. And I must thank Prime Minister Narendra Modi for coming out for a scheme for farmers of India, and 20th installment is coming in most probably in August. So the BJP government is very much focused on the development of farmer.
Boat licking.
Yeah, every time you jump, why you jump every time like frog?
Okay, Ashwini, 1 minute. Yeah, he heard you. Anmol after him. Yeah, Anmol and Satya. Only Anmol and Satya. Only Anmol and Satya. Only Anmol and Satya. But Anmol after. Ashwini quiet. Anmol after.
About the India's growth. You know, I thank Jagdeep Dhankar Sahab for writing such a beautiful resignation in which he has written that the India is growing and I hold it the second most important post of India. I am thanked to all party workers and everyone he has thanked. But due to his certain reason of health, he resigned. We should respect his words, whatever he has written. Regarding farmer, I already told that this is the Modi government which is very much committed to the farmers of India. Because it has started
Anmol, since he has been.
Why they are jumping? No. Regarding Congress, Congress has taken resignation from every one of their party, even in midnight calls. I don't understand. Three chief ministers of Bihar, no chief.
I'll tell you one by one. Son.
This is not fair.
One minute. The thing is, 1 minute. Satya, politics in that space. No, 1 minute. Politics and that high office can be extremely self-limiting. It can be extremely self-limiting. 1 minute. It may be. It is self-limiting. I'll tell you. Maybe Jagdeep Dhankar thought, 1 minute. Maybe Jagdeep Dhankar was in that echo chamber where he began to believe he's bigger than he is. Maybe somebody told him that we will make you chief minister. And maybe Jagdeep Dhankar thought, I'll create a scene, I'll quit and then I'll actively join politics. Is there a bar on him joining politics?
देखिए देश के किसानों के सम्मान में मेरी एक दरखास्त है सत्य प्रकाश मिश्रा जी से। इन्होंने कहा कि भाजपा ने किसानों के लिए इतना किया, आज वो किसान जो है खून के आंसू रो रहे होंगे। जो चुल्लू भर पानी है ना, इसमें डूब के मर जाओ। इतना झूठ बोल रहे हो, इतना झूठ बोल रहे हो,
फैशनेबल
इतना झूठ बोल रहे हो। 700 किसान आनी चाहिए, मर गए थे वहाँ सड़कों पर किसान मरते हैं, तब आपकी सरकार गूंगी और बहरी होती है। किसान को डबल एमएसपी का दाम देने का वादा किया था, आपने क्या किया? आज देश जानना चाहता है कि वो 4 आतंकवादी कब पकड़े जाएंगे, तो आप चुप रहते हैं। प्रधानमंत्री को घूमने का टाइम है, प्रधानमंत्री को विदेश के दौरे करने का समय है, लेकिन 4 लोगों को आतंकवादी नहीं पकड़ता है। 26 परिवार आज आपके नेता ताली बजा रहे थे।
धनकर पे वापस आइए, धनकर पे वापस आइए। Come back to धनकर, come back to धनकर। Stop it, come back to धनकर। ये धनकर ने संवैधानिक ब्रीफ क्रॉस की नहीं।
हत्यारे आप शर्म नहीं आती आपको?
That you don't know your leader was sitting on Jantar Mantar when a kisan committed suicide. Arnab, do you know that? Arvind Kejriwal at Jantar Mantar, a farmer committed suicide, and your party workers were climbing there. You have no shame. You have no shame. A political party organization, a spokesperson doing electoral shame in Bihar. What is shame? You people,
you don't want to. You don't. Keep quiet. You don't want to. You don't. Satya, don't do this. This is not the Bihar election campaign and never will be. This is not. Take them off the screen. Put Mr. Kumar Reddy there. Take them off the screen. The question is, stop your election campaign in my studio. Stop your election campaign. You stop your election campaign in my studio. You're not on air. Nothing is going on record. Nothing. You're not on TV. You're not on TV. You're not on TV. Thank you. You're not on TV. You are not on TV, yaar. Be quiet. Don't respond. Thank you. Now, viewers, the most. Arey, don't go to this shot. I am saying. Don't go to this shot. Are you mad, Aditi? Now listen to me. Can you? रुक जाइए ना. Ask him. Be quiet. I'm रुक जाइए. शांत. Be quiet. रुक. यार relax. Sit down. यार इतना छोड़ दीजिए. छोड़ दीजिए. Now my question is, you see, you have answers for everything. You see, sit down. You have answers for everything, but you will not answer whether Dhankar violated the constitutional principle. Whether he, no, you have no answer.
You are all praised for Dhankar.
You have no answer.
आपने ही तारीफ की थी ना.
Komar Reddy.
मैं तो नहीं बोला था आगे. मैंने तो नहीं तारीफ की थी. आपने धनखड़ जी की तारीफ की. You were all praised for him. That he's so disciplined. That he's the best vice president ever. मान लीजिए फिर.
The one thing I'll say. The one thing I will say. Take the shots. I'll do 1 minute. Come here. You come. I'll tell you something. I'll tell you something. Relax.
You never
have a sense of humor. I will say.
Question on his. Never raised question.
I'll tell. Thank you very much. My question to you tonight. Sit down, young man, and listen to me. My question to you tonight is this: that my question, viewers, is I'll show the pictures of Arvind Kejriwal and Dhankar together. And my friend is getting all emo about it. He's very emotional about it. But what I will say to him over these shots is, 1 minute, look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. 1 minute. I'm speaking. Run the pictures and put his face on it. And I will say to my emotional up friend tonight, you wanted to make Dhankar bigger than he is. Take the pictures of Kejriwal meeting Dhankar. 1 minute. Listen to me. Look at that. And I will say to you, run the pictures, producers. You're always late. Always, my producers never get that timing right. 1 second. 1 minute. Listen. The pictures are there on the screen. And to this it would be. To this, I would ask tonight. Be quiet. I'm closing statements. I'll be quiet. To this, viewers, the question tonight is, what song comes to your mind when you see these pictures? I'll start with my choice. They wanted him to be the whatever, bigger than vice president. But as they say, for me, the song that comes to mind is Ke Sara Sara. Ke Sara Sara, whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Ke Sara Sara, you tried to make him something else, Ke Sara Sara. But Ke Sara Sara, whatever was to be was me. Dhankar, politics is not to be. Ke Sara Sara, ladies and gentlemen.
The BJP who made him vice president was the
Give a big smile. You tried your best.
जिन्होंने expose किया था corruption भारतीय.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Ke Sara Sara. And we shall see you tomorrow once again on another riotous edition of the debate. Good night and goodbye.